Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Iqbal bin Zulkifli. Matrix number DE210080. Today I will present the group project of utilization of electrical energy, which is my part is introduction. The 11th Malaysia Plan introduced a government initiative to promote sustainable energy use and enhance stakeholder coordination in the energy sector. As part of this strategy, Malaysia property developer UEM Sunrise Berhad has entrusted our consulting firm with the design and development of an energy efficient structure for a new housing development. The objective is to align the initiative with the 11 Malaysia Plan's objective and incorporate environmental sustainability principles. Assalamualaikum. So next is for the company background, which is our company names Ecotech Solution. So this company have five group members, which is me, Ahmad Likman bin Zulkifli, and secretary is Ahmad Akmal bin Yaakob, and group member is Abdul Rahman bin Ismail, Ahmad Amir Ashraf bin Osman, and Afif Jazimin bin Muhammad Hussein. So our group motto is Smart Solution for a Greener Tomorrow. So this is our company logo, Ecotech Solutions. Next is Ecotech Solution is a top consulting firm that focuses on building solutions that are good for the environment and save energy. Ecotech Solution has become a trusted partner for clients who want innovative solutions that combine energy efficiency, environmental sustainability, and cutting-edge engineering practices. This is because the company has a strong commitment to promoting sustainable development and tackling the urgent problem of climate change. Ecotech was founded in 2005 and this company has quickly become a star in this field since we have professional engineer in this company to manage the housing development that need our consulting to do a electrical design in their house.
Summary of issue. To successfully develop an energy efficiency and sustainability housing project, several important issues need to be addressed, which is site selection. Choosing the right location is crucial to align with the goal of the 11th Malaysian Plan and enable a sustainability and energy efficiency development. Engineering innovation to overcome challenges related to energy efficiency and renewable energy integrating require innovative engineering solutions. This include improving insulation, windows, door to enhance energy efficiency. Next is the electrical system design. To careful examination of the electrical system design is necessary to promote energy efficiency and sustainability. This involves considering cost-effective energy efficiency lighting, smart metering, and incorporating a renewable energy source. And last, the technological advancement. Leveraging advancement in an electrical energy system is a cost-effective way to reduce residential energy consumption and transition to a on-site renewable energy. Incorporating energy efficiency measure during the construction phase is easier than retrofitting existing building. By addressing this issue, the housing development can set a standard for energy efficiency, contribute to a greener future, and enhance overall performance while reducing environmental impact. Objective and scope of investigation. To have an effective electricity consumption cost, to determine how to reduce building electricity costs and overall expense, to have an electrical system design and a renewable energy strategy, to investigate the optimal site location and building type in order to modify the current system of development, method and software, to investigate the selection of suitable software and method for completing the task, electrical power efficiency to determine the cost effective of a new electrical layout for the home by calculating its energy consumption.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdurrahman bin Ismail. Number metric DE210069. Alright, for the methodology. Alright, for the methodology for the software. The software we use is AutoCAD and Visio. Alright, the design phase of the investigation involve the utilization of industry standard software tools such as AutoCAD and Visio. AutoCAD software was used for architectural design in the project and allowing for the construction of the detailed floor plan and the building layout. Alright, Visio is used for the Visio is used for the uh, electric schematic electrical schematic diagram, single line diagram, and the flow chart. Alright, the usage of the software tool help in speeding the design process, also ensuring the documentation quality and improving the overall efficiency of the project. Okay, for the flowchart. Alright, based on the flowchart, the starting point is to identify the project objective and scope. Because it help provide the clarity and direction of the project. Right, this step ensure that everyone involved understand the purpose and desired outcome of the project. Alright, next is conduct site visit and analyzes case studies. Alright, the purpose is to gather information about the site suitability, such as accessibility and environmental consideration for the housing project development. Alright, after that, the valuable information that we obtain from the conduct site, it will help to develop the energy efficient design. Alright, it involves creating a floor plan, building layout, design element that reduce energy use. Alright, the next is assess the environmental sustainability and cost effectiveness. Alright, the goal is to the goal is to build a design that not only minimize its environmental impact, but also give a financial benefit in the long run by considering both environmental sustainability and effectiveness. Alright, the next is review the compliance with 11 MP. Alright, the design is assessed on the basis of the plan suggestion for energy efficiency, sustainability, and economic growth. Any necessary revision are made to guarantee that the plan objectives are met. Alright, the next last is the produce a report. Alright, for the floor plan. Alright, the floor plan is crucial aspect of sustainable building design that prioritize both environmental responsibility and energy efficiency. An energy efficiency floor plan can significantly reduce the energy consumption and contribute to the greening future by taking a comprehensive approach, include a numerous elements such as the orientation of the building, natural lighting, ventilation, and renewable energy integration. Next is electrical appliances. Alright, electrical appliances are essential in today's modern life because they provide a convenient and functionality by utilizing electricity. These appliances rely on the efficient conversion of electrical energy into a useful work, which will lead to the increased electrical consumption in house. In order to reduce the consumption, efficient energy model for electrical appliance must be used and prioritizing responsible consumption habit. For example, instead of use the fluorescent lamp, use a LED lamp which have a higher lumen and low voltage. For air conditioner, choose the inverter type of air conditioner which are known for their low energy consumption compared to the conventional air conditioning system. Methodology, electrical design schematic. Alright, the the electrical design schematic is the accurate depiction of energy efficient house electrical system that ensure the correct design and installation while considering the load calculation, safety regulation, and functionality. This schematic guide electrician in installation and maintenance, improving the overall performance and safety, aligning with the project energy efficiency and environmental sustainability goal. Methodology single line diagram. Alright. The single line diagram simplify the electrical system, addressing the flow, illustrating the flow of electricity from the power source to the circuit and component. It is crucial for understanding the overall electrical layout, ensuring the proper design, installation, and safety standard. It helps electricians troubleshoot issues, identify potential problems, and facilitate efficient maintenance and repairs, ensuring safe and efficient operation of the house electrical system.
Environmental sustainability. Clear energy choices. What are or renewable energy sources are known, and they are becoming more prominent due to their ability to be ecologically sustainable. In order to achieve the obligation to comply with international environmental regulation treaties, significant actions such as structural reform for rural areas and cities must be tackled with the creation of RE. In order to fulfill the excessive demand for power, there is a tendency around the globe to replace conventional fuel with RE resources. There has been a pressing need for cities to utilize power, despite the worldwide trend towards using it more frequently for safety and comfort. Electricity produced by photovoltaic PV system may be particularly great from solar energy. PV production uses a solar cell surface that exhibits the photovoltaic effect to convert solar radiation or the photoelectric effect into usable electrical energy. The World Energy Organization has divided solar thermal application into four categories: distant grid-connected, non-residential off-grid, consolidated consolidate power generating system, and residential off-grid.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For my part, I will explain about the analysis and discussion. For analysis and discussion, we have to know the total connected load and maximum demand. Total connected load is the continuous rating of all the connected equipment to the supply system are added. And the maximum demand is the peak or maximum amount of electrical power that the consumer needs. Okay, this is the equipment that we have in the house. First, dome light. Second, ceiling fan. Next, air conditioner, main distribution board, and lastly, the outlet circuit, 13 amperes. Uh, to know the total connected load, we have to multiply the quantity of the equipment and the power use of the equipment. So we get the total connected load for each equipment. And then we have to find the maximum demand. To find maximum demand, we have to multiply the total connected load with their demand factor. So we get the total demand. Total maximum demand is the 6,242.4 before redesign. Okay, next, this is the calculation for total connected load and maximum demand after redesign. After redesign, we changed the LED, we changed the downlight with the LED downlight, and we get the LED downlight use power less than the normal downlight. We also changed the air conditioner with the inverter conditioner for get the less power use. After we calculate the maximum demand, we get the total maximum demand after redesign is 5,863.8. Okay, after we calculate the total connected load and maximum demand before and after redesign, we have to calculate the electricity bills. The electrical consumption cost is based on the Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB) tariff rates. Okay, this is the way to calculate the electrical consumption before redesign. The electrical consumption equal to 6.2424 kilowatts. This is the maximum demand before redesign, and we multiply with 30 days, multiply with 24 hour, and we get the electrical consumption is 4,494.53 kilowatt hour. Okay, this is the calculation for the electricity bill. For the first 200 kilowatt hour, we have to multiply with the rate 0.218 ringgit. For the next 100 kilowatt hour, we have to multiply with 0.334 ringgit. And for the next 300, we have to multiply with 0.516 ringgit. And the next 300, we have to multiply with 0.546 ringgit. And the balance, we multiply with the 0.571 ringgit. And we get the amount electricity bill before redesign is 2,448 ringgit and 0.7 cent. Okay, this is the electricity bill after redesign. As we know, we get the maximum demand after redesign is 5.8638 kilowatt, and we get the electrical consumption after redesign is 4,221.94 kilowatt hour. In this table is the calculation for electricity bill. Same with before for the first 200, and so on. And the total amount for electrical consumption after redesign is 2,292 ringgit and 43 cent. So this demonstrates that by designing the system for the house, we can save up to 155 ringgit and 64 cent. Okay, to make a cost more efficient, we also use solar implementation. This is because these techniques apply in sustainable energy and less carbon dioxide release production. This will adhere to the 11 MP requirement, which will result in greater electrical energy saving and lower costs. Even if the cost of installation is somewhat more higher than the other form of energy, solar energy is the safest in comparison. The fact that solar panel system use renewable energy in their major advantage. It is used anywhere in Malaysia, and is available every day. Solar energy also is a clean and environmentally friendly form of energy in Malaysia. The fact that solar energy does not harm the environment should be understood. That's all from me. Thank you.
As a conclusion, for households who wish to benefit from both on-grid and off-grid solar system, hybrid systems are a great option. They give you a consistent source of power even at night or during blackouts. And you may reduce your electricity costs by selling extra energy back to the grid. Take into account your energy requirements, your spending limit, and whether or not your location is suitable for solar panels when choosing the optimum on-grid and off-grid system combination. When choosing a hybrid solar system, it's crucial to account for ongoing and maintenance and upkeep expenses.